Let's take a check on U.S. futures and how we are setting up for tomorrow. Keep in mind that these are very thinly traded. There's a lot to go until tomorrow's open, but the Dow right now looking to open higher by 43 points. S&P is looking to add by about 5. NASDAQ looking to be up by 28 points. The Japanese market will open in just a few minutes right now, and Nikkei futures had indicated an open about 3% lower. Fast money traders Tim Seymour and Karen Feinerman are still here, as well as CNBC's Mike Santoli, to get us ahead of tomorrow's trading. So, Mike, it was a sloppy close today. What are you looking for tomorrow?
It was. It's not ideal for it to close near the lows where we did today. You know, coming into today, a lot of people saying, was yesterday some kind of a successful retest? Did we see enough pain on the downside? You can't make that conclusion right now. But a lot of the ingredients you look for to have these extremes in terms of a stretch market on the downside are in place, which does not mean we bounce tomorrow. So I honestly think it's about keeping expectations in line, watching how stocks react to earnings. That might be your first clue if a lot of them start to look on the bright side.
So we did have good earnings out tonight from Microsoft, from Visa, from Ford, from Tesla.
Yeah.
If these are able to hold the gains, is that any sort of a good indicator?
Well, think about first quarter earnings and where we were getting crushed in January, February, into March, and we needed actually those first quarter earnings kind of saved the day and reminded people the things that we've been talking about tonight, that fundamentals are really quite strong. So we've got, as we said, NASDAQ is going to be reporting all the way through to Amazon. It's going to be a big day. It's very important. Also, watch the dollar. And I think the dollar is on the verge of breaking out. That's a flight to quality. That's not good. And that's going to hurt asset prices. And the ECB meets tomorrow. And I still think that Italy is something that we haven't talked about that tonight yet. I think that's a big deal for markets.
Yeah. Karen, what are you be watching for?
Well, what I'm hoping for, actually, we talked about this on our show, is I hate buying on an up market, right? I'd rather see a down market and then have buyers come in. But maybe we will see, we see the Nikkei is going to be down, China will be down, Europe will be down. If those markets can start to rally, that I think could be a floor for us as well.
Yeah, we're in a mode now, right, where every bounce, every rally is going to be kind of doubted and scrutinized, and it is going to be
should have been, by the way.
It's going to be suspect.
It's been sell the dip. Yeah. I mean, sorry, it's been basically not buy the dip though this year, and that's the point. So
that's right. Yeah.